Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do the cold air challenge. If you don't know what the cold air is you see that white thing right over there? That is called an air conditioner, and it blows very cold air. And so I'm gonna do the challenge, and I'm gonna see how much I stayed was the air on me, and like the air, I'm already like freezing right now, so just gonna do. Oh, and plus I also have a challenge for you guys. So let's see if you can subscribe to my channel in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Congratulations. So let's just get on with this video. Okay. And I have a blanket in case I fail. So, yeah. Okay. While I'm freezing to death, you can watch. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. I love this. And now this is Nickelodeon. I'm just watching D10 right now. Guys, I'm so freezing. I'm freezing. I'm literally freezing right now. I cannot. I'm freezing. And the bad thing is that I'm wearing a skirt right now. And this is bad. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. I quit. I have to put my blanket on me. Like, I'm freezing right now, so I failed at this challenge like always. So yeah, I hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below what challenge I should do next. Bye guys.